Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I will show you how to add or create voucher to book your transportation or to give us or keep us informed about your Jamaat arrival and departure, or as you say in Malaysia, PI form. Okay, first sign in to Azowar.biz with the username and password I have sent you earlier in WhatsApp. Just log in. Once you log in, this screen will appear. All you have to do is to go to vouchers, create voucher, new voucher. As you can see, this page will appear. First of all, put a note saying whatever you want to say, but most importantly, please add the mutawif number, name and phone number. Okay, for an instance, after you put the mutawif name and phone number and any note you want to add, press anywhere in the white space so it can be uploaded. Now it's saved. Go on to add the flight information details, airline name, Saudi, flight number 112, taking off from KUL, arrive at or on, let's say 25 November. The time of taking off in Malaysia timing, you can put 15, let's say 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Of course here it's in Arabic because my computer settings language is in Arabic, but in your computer it will show in English, no worries. And then landing, it's either be Jeddah or Medina or Yamba. Okay. If it's a transit flight, please put the second part of the transit. Let's say you are going from KL to Dubai, Dubai to Jeddah. In the PI form, you don't have to mention KL Dubai, just mention Dubai Jeddah. Just mention Dubai Jeddah. Landing date, very important, and should be same or after the departure date. And this one, let's say, will arrive at 9:05 p.m. And then once you are done with the information of departure, you will press on add segment. As you can see, it's listed down here as confirmed information. Then you choose the departure flight again, same information. This time will be out from Jeddah or from Medina. It's up to the package that you have arranged earlier. And then we can put all the information, landing to or landing at Kuala Lumpur. The date will be 31 October, let's say, and here is 10 or 11 a.m. Okay, if you have any note you want to add, you can put here, and then add segment. Here we have already put the departure, the arrival and the departure. Next, you will go to the hotels. Choose the city first, whether Medina or Mecca. If you're going to Mecca first, just put the hotel name. Let's say Anjum. Check-in date, it will automatically set as the arrival date, 25th. Okay. Check-out date, let's say you will stay from 25th until 25th, 26th, 7, 8 until 29. This is not important, this is not important, this is important. Number of nights from 25 to 29, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 nights. And then press on add. In green it will be updated right here. And then it will automatically choose the Medina. So you put Medina, let's say Taiba Hotel, and the check-in date will be automatically as the check-out date from Mecca. And then you put the date of your departure, the end of the program, which is 31. This is not important. 29, 30, and check out 31. This means 2 nights. Add. You can see here you have added all the nights at the hotels in both Mecca and Medina. Next you will choose the transportation, and transportation will be filled up automatically. All you have to do is just to choose the vehicle and number of vehicles. On 25th, automatically set as the landing date from Jeddah Airport to Mecca City. This is set automatically because you already put arrival date 25th and check-in date to Mecca in 25th. That's why it's already automatic. Just choose the vehicle. If you are using your own bus with a different bus, not by us, you just check by self. Otherwise, if you choose 51 passenger, this means you are requesting or you are ordering a bus from Azowar. GMC for GMC, Ford for a sedan, Coaster or Hayes, or by self. Since it's by self, you don't need to put a number. Just put add. This is the first route from Jeddah to airport. Already recorded. The second route, it will also appear automatically from Mecca to Medina, because you put 29 check out from Mecca hotel to Medina hotel. That's why it will show 29 go from Mecca to Medina. Just choose the type of bus. Here I will put by self. Add. And now from Medina to Medina airport, if you are departing from Medina, because you automatically have already put Medina airport to depart to KL, right? So here it will automatically show from Medina city to Medina airport. Again, choose the type of bus you want. Here by self, because let's assume you are booking outside. Put add. Here you have completed all the round trip, starting from Jeddah airport and ending to Medina airport. Now you have all the information for the tickets and hotels and transportations. We need to add the Jama'at. You use the group code that has been shown in Bab al Umrah. Simply press the group code and press search, but now you don't have any, so it will not show anything. After you press search, it will show all the names. Just select and add, and then press send. Once you press send, I will receive it here in my system and arrange the booking and update the airport for the receive. Okay, if you need anything, please let me know. Thank you very much. Have a good day.